What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 things that you maybe didn't know about your Mercedes. Okay guys, so some of these are mentioned in the owner's manual, so if you read your owner's manual, that's good. Some of them are not. However, some people don't have access to the owner's manual, so I'm just gonna show it to you, and hopefully this video will be educational and informational. Okay, so I'm gonna pop the trunk for the first one right here. So most cars, when you pop the trunk, it just opens like that, right? So for most cars, but in this Mercedes you can open it even more right here. So this is on the driver's side. You have to push the pin like this, push it out, and then lift the hood and it's gonna hold it for you. Now you have to go to the other side, and for the passenger side you just push the pin. Okay, now you can lift the hood all the way up, and check this out. You can work on the car without bumping your head on the hood all the time, and you have so much space to reach in the back and nothing is holding you from the top. And to put it down, all what you have to do, just come back here to the passenger side, to the driver's side, push the pin like this, and with your other hand grab the hood and push it down, and then it clicks right back to the normal position, and then you can lift it up and then it holds to the halfway position. Okay, to pop the trunk you just hold this button up and then the trunk comes up. But the really good thing is, see this right here? This holds the trunk mat up for you. So you just hang it up right here on the rubber seal and it holds it up like so. Okay guys, so for this one, let's say it's too hot out there and you want to vent the car. So without going inside it and turn on the ignition, in other cars you can't open the windows and the sunroof, but in Mercedes you can just grab the key and hold the unlock position like so, and it will open all the windows down. Now the opposite, the lock button, so it can close all windows. Okay, so for this one, do you see this panel underneath the radio? It has the lock and unlock and the heated seats and stuff like that. Some people don't realize that when you push this button, the CD changer comes out. As you can see. And then you have 6 CDs that you can put into the CD changer right here. Okay, so to change that Mercedes logo to an AMG logo, I'm gonna show you the process, but unfortunately it doesn't work on this because this is a 2003 model and it has the small screen. So if you have an E-Class, which is a 2004, 2005 or newer, you're gonna have the bigger screen. This trick works on the bigger screen, and there's a video from another channel that shows you how it works on the 04 models and newer. I'm gonna link it in the description. However, I'm just gonna go take you through the process. So when you turn it on, after it goes on, you hit service and then display, and then you hold the 5, 3 and 7 for 10 seconds, and then another screen pops up and then you can go down and choose AMG. So I will put a picture on the screen right now that shows you the option that you get, but this trick works only on 04 or newer E-Class. Okay guys, so that was it for the 5 things you maybe didn't know about your Mercedes. Again, maybe some of these are mentioned in the owner's manual. However, some people don't like to read it or don't even have access to it as they get lost. And please let me know what you think in the comment section. I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.